What up, YouTube? Yo, we gotta make this quick, man. But we gon' well, nah, we ain't not making nothing quick, man. Y'all ain't seen me in a long time. I ain't seen y'all in a long time. Let me get this zoom right. It's hot out here. But anywho, man, the rims finally came in. We're going to go get mounted up. The wheels came in. I actually had to get the car repainted because my painter didn't like certain stuff, so he just resprayed it. But before all this, man, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. I'm sorry I got this sweat towel because it's real hot out here. Y'all don't understand. And I'm a little fat, so gotta get right. But anywho, man, let me show y'all what in the sun. It's dirty, it's dusty. I've been, man, this paint gonna be real sensitive. I can already tell. This thing dusty. I just got it back a couple days ago and it was freshly detailed. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. When the sun hit it, it's a little deeper. Let me see. It should be on this side. You can see it. You see that? But yeah, man, we finna get to the shop, man. I've been waiting all day, so fill up and get to the shop, man. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right, we back out, man. The wheels is right here. I ain't gonna show y'all yet. I'm gonna just give y'all 360 of the Elko in the sun. This is the dark side. Y'all always see the dark side. Here go the sun side. Ooh. See where that sun hit that motherfucker burst. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna show y'all the wheels. Let me stop prologue. My boy here, yo, boy. Ooh. Got them road gold forgiato waves. I ain't even know they hit me with the forgiato spinning cap. Shit, how long they took? They should have made a goddamn robotic cap or some shit. But this is it, man. We about to mount these bad boys in a minute. I don't know where they put the steering wheel at. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. All right, now, man, we back home. It's like the next day, maybe 2-3 days. I don't know. But anywho, man, it is. I have to raise the front end. It's scrubbing like real bad, so we gotta get the front end raised. That's what I'm trying to do today. Really, that's the only problem I'm having. It's real close. You see how much space it is? I don't know if y'all can see or not, but yeah, that's how far I can get my fingers through. So I gotta raise it up. I don't know, man. I don't know if these are wider. I don't know if these are wider. I don't know. I feel like they are in the front, but I don't know. Cause I use a scrub, but not like that. And these are actually smaller tires, unless it just lowered over time. I don't know. We'll see. Well, I'm finna pull it out in a second. Let me know what y'all think, man. It does set a little low. It's set a little too low. Gotta put it about up here. It's setting on the tire, so it gotta go up. I'm gonna drop it in the rear some more. This is what it's looking like. Honestly, this video don't really do it justice. It really don't, but the best I can do because I ain't got too much sun to play with. It's a little cloudy out, but this thing clean for real. Yes, sir. It's dirty too. You see dirt on the rim. Dirt on the paint. This is dirty right now. It's, man, I'm gonna have hell keeping this thing clean. Like, literally. This is it though. Replace the grill. Replace the headlight bezels. I need to replace the bumper. It's probably about all I'm gonna do. And then we got new bed liner sprayed over. And that's about it. This front spoiler, I gotta get it cut. So I gotta take it back to the paint shop. I know they tired of seeing me, but it's alright. But yeah, I gotta cut. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna have to cut it about that much. Kind of round it off. So if I was to round it off, I'd cut it from about, then round it. Yeah, so that's how what we gotta do to get that one on. I'm gonna see what they can do. If they can't do nothing, then we just gonna have to go without it. But I really do want it because it was looking real, yeah, looking a lot better with this on. I know I'm treating the dunk bad. I got tools and shit on it. It's alright. She gonna be rescued in not too long. Yeah, it's bad. Well, these is all her parts and a couple of other things, but for the most part, this is all her stuff. But yeah, now I gotta try to raise this up. So yeah, that's the goal for the day, to raise her up, because she is scrubbing. I'm talking bad, real bad. So I'll see. Oh, I don't think I got the steering wheel in there. I gotta get a detail because the inside is pretty dirty, but that's nothing. That's an easy fix. So, man, let me see what I can do with this. If I can't raise it, then I might have to take it to the shop. Let's see, man. Let's see. So, y'all, man, I didn't get to raise it up the other day because I had some mishaps happen. My yard man came. And he was cutting the yard as I was back here, and a rock came up and bust my back window. It was actually a 3 glass. They bust this one, but he couldn't just buy 1 glass, so they ended up replacing the whole thing. And they was like, they didn't have the 3 glass, they could do the 1 glass. I'm like, that's cool. So back to this, man, back to this. So in the back, that's how I want it. It might be a little too low, I don't know, I haven't moved yet, but the fact that it's sitting that low might be too low. On this side, I don't know. This side is raised up, so I'm probably have to lower it. I gotta see, man. These coilovers ain't easy as it seems, as they make it. Especially the front, because you don't have much room to work with. The back, yeah, you can make something happen. But the front, ain't that much room. But yes, sir. Hey. Alright, man, let me try to do this. If I can't do it, man, in the front, I'm gonna just have to go ahead and scrub it up and on out to the country and let my guy Snake raise it up. But right now, I'm finna try my shot at it, man. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie. It ain't hard, but it ain't much room to work with. That's all. That's what makes it hard. But let me turn this camera off and see what I can do. Alright. So I lifted it a little bit. I would just have to take it to the shop it's still sitting too low, but this side I lifted it a little bit too. Well, I don't even think I tried this side, but it's too hard for me to get in there. I need to lift it all the way up and get under it so I can put some strength on them coilovers. Them coilovers ain't nothing to play with. But this in the rear, we're gonna drop it a little bit. That's just gonna be my next video, just lifting it, dropping it. Cleaning it up because it's dirty as hell still haven't got to wash it, but drop this side a little more. I want to hide the lip and shit. That's it, we'll be done. But anywho, man, it's hot out here. I'm sweating. I ain't been out here 2-3 minutes. But anyway, man, I'm trying to get y'all more footage, man. Right now, things gonna move a little slow, man. I got a little one on the way, man. My first, you know what I'm saying, young buck on the way. So I gotta get that situated. Then I gotta get back to the cars. We got this car out the way, so shit. We gonna finish up with this one with the AC. And I'm gonna fix my pedals and I'm done. Then I'm trying to decide, should I do the truck or should I start the vert? Truck, just paint and wheels, maybe some music. Oh, I can't even work the camera. The truck, paint, wheels, music, little music, nothing crazy. Or the vert. Full everything. You already know I'm going crazy with this one. I think I'm gonna do the truck because it's a smaller project. It's an easy project. Rims, paint, and a little bit of music. Nothing crazy. Maybe like 2 8s and some 6x5s in each door. Something simple. But anywho, man, finna get off here, man. I got some things to go do. It's my niece's birthday. Happy birthday, Mia. Love you. And anyway, man, we finna get dressed, get fly, hop in traffic, man. So before you get up off here, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. We trying to get back, man. Let's get it. Peace.